great pleasure for me to welcome you today in the Royal Academy of Sciences, Letters and Arts of Belgium, an institution founded by Maria Theresa of Austria in 1772, when Belgium was part of the Habsburg Empire. The title of this conference, Progress in Science, Progress in Society, is a challenging one in our times. For the vast majority of scientists, there is no doubt that progress is one of the driving forces. Progress in science is one of the driving forces of progress in society. To illustrate this point, I will take the example of the laser. The fundamental physical process involved is the phenomenon of stimulated emission discovered by Einstein in 1916. It took many years before this process was used in 1954 by Towns and his colleagues, and also studied by Basel and Bokov, to construct the first ammonia maser. Maser, as you know, is an acronym for microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. A few years later, in 1958, the first laser was proposed by Charles Leclerc, who extended the maser concept into higher frequencies, including the optical frequency range. The first operational laser was the ruby laser, constructed by Meyman in 1960, and since then, lasers have been used to make many new discoveries in basic and applied science. They have also allowed great progress to be achieved in industry, medicine, telecommunication, in one word, in society. What I have said about the laser could also be said about other fields of research. For example, genetics. The double helix structure of the deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, was identified in 1953 by Crick and Watson using X-ray diffraction data obtained by Rosalind Franklin. Since then, this discovery has been of tremendous importance in fundamental molecular biology, but also in biotechnology, with its many applications, for example, in medicine and agriculture. However, it is also clear that nowadays there is an increasing gap between science as it is perceived by scientists and science perceived by ordinary citizens. Indeed, an increasing number of people in developed or less developed countries distrust science, and more generally progress, invoking the risks that accompany the developments of science and technology. Today and tomorrow, we will have the privilege to listen to several eminent colleagues, starting in a few minutes with Professor Catherine Benchignac, Secrétaire perpétuelle de l'Académie des Sciences de France, and including Professor Claude Derue, President of the European Academy of Sciences. Various aspects of the progress in science and its impact on society will then be discussed. The topics will cover a large domain, including public perception of science and its communication, science and technologies of the living, information sciences, science and industry, and the importance of science in Europe. I wish to all of you a very fruitful conference.